When you enroll in R.E.A.L Neurodiverse, you don't just get a framework, you get a fully built system. A clear 10-step developmental pathway guides clients from self-understanding through to lasting relational change. Autistic and non-autistic clients each follow their own track, differentiated for life partnerships and family relationships. And at every step, your pathway is fully synchronized with your clients, so you always know what they're engaging with, what to process in session, and how to pace the work. The structure is already built. The research foundations are in place. And it's all inside one platform, ready to use from day one.